My name is Roy,
And I'm Kay,
and we're from McAllen, Texas.
and we are Te Family Adventures.
My son Austin he's the goofy one in the family.
Our daughter Sophia, she's very artistic.
We like camping because we get to spend family time and it's a lot of fun exploring and hiking. We've been exploring and we've been kayaking.
Yeah, we always play games and this dance parties with the kids, having fun, just being goofy.
The best thing about the Solis is the tent that pops up that me and my brother can sleep in.
We like traveling in a camper van because we can take our time.
Being able to go anywhere you want, anytime.
We get to see places and we don't really have to plan everything out.
It's something that we'll remember, the kids will remember. And that's the main reason that we do these trips.
The values that we hope to instill in our kids by traveling this way is to be open to new experiences and just appreciate nature and being with family.
We're looking forward to many more trips with the Winnebago Solis and make more memories for our family.